and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate coaching class admissions on WhatsApp in 10 minutes. Yes, it's true that instead of you, this automated chatbot will reply to your students and turn the process of doing admission into your coaching class without you doing any manual efforts. But before that, now I'll give you a quick overview of how this bot will work and how this bot will reply to your student in real time. For that, I am going to send one message to my WhatsApp business account of coaching class. Here I am sending my first message as book class. As soon as I send the message, immediately you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that hello, welcome to Bright Minds coaching classes. Please select the course you are interested in, while providing me one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me the types of courses, that is boards coaching, IIT, JEE, NEET, SSC Bank and UPSC. Here I want to book a class for boards coaching, so I am selecting this. Then you can see it will ask me to share my full name, so I am sharing my full name as a test user. Next it will ask me to share the contact number, so I am sharing one test contact number. Then the email address. After that, you can see it will ask me to share the city, so I am sharing the city name also. Then you can see it will ask me to select the batch timing while providing me the list of batches, that is morning, afternoon and evening. Here I want to book a class in evening, so I am selecting this. Then you can see I have received one customized message from my bot, that is thank you for your interest. Here's a quick summary of your admission request while providing me all the details that I have shared, that is the name I share as test user, course that I have selected from the list as boards coaching. After that, my contact number, city, batch timing and one message, that is our counselor will contact you soon. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot that will handle all the admission inquiries that are coming into your coaching classes, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So here you are on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. If you face any issue while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here, and the people who are facing similar problem just like you or even the Pabbly team members will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on this sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot. So I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp numbers in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. If you want a detailed video of how you can connect your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. You can check out. Now in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to provide the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. And in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here on the left hand side, you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings and get help. If you want to learn more about all of these features, and we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Now as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this flows option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. It creates and manages static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. If you want to create a new WhatsApp chatbot, then you have to click on this plus add flow button. Here I already created one WhatsApp chatbot for coaching class admission, so I am selecting this. So see, this is the automated chatbot that I have already created before for automating coaching class admissions. At the end of this video, you can understand each and every point that what I have done here. But before that, here I am going to give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages, you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions, you can see different buttons are there. I use these buttons in the creation of this flow. Here on the left hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button. With the help of this toggle, your flow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle, then your flow will become inactive and it will not reply to your user. And the another one is the save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. So here you can see this is the starting point of your flow, that is trigger. Where at first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events, that is keyword / regex, user starts conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field updated, contacts birth date is coming soon, and tag assigned. I created this flow with the help of keywords, so I selected the keywords here. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And the another one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. Here I am going to show you how you can add keywords into your flow. For adding this, you have to simply write the keyword. I am adding the keyword as coaching. After that, you have to press enter so that it will add it into the list. Now here I added only 4 keywords. You can add multiple. Here whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account of coaching class, then automatically my bot gets trigger and reply to them by sending them this welcome message that I have written in the list button that you can select from here. See, this is the same list box that is here. This list box is divided in 3 parts, that is header, body and footer. In this case, there is no requirement of any header or footer, so I am leaving this blank and directly writing the message in this box. Here you can see at the end of this message, I write that please select the course you are interested in. For that, I added the course types here, that is the section title I provide as course types. After that, when I click on this plus add items button, it will provide me one box inside it. Here I added only 3 course types. You can add multiple. Now in the next, I have set the contact custom field nodes, where I have selected the contact custom field as course type. I already created this contact custom field before. Now I am going to show you from where you can create this contact custom field and why we use this contact custom field in the creation of our flow. But before moving anywhere, at first you have to save your flow. If you don't save your flow and switch to the another tab, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. Now for doing the setting up of this contact custom field nodes, at first you have to click on this actions option and take button as set custom field. Drag this box here. You can see this is the contact custom field box, where you have to select the contact custom field from here and write the each of the course type in this enter value box. Now for creating this contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. Here I am opening this in a new tab. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field. It is a user specific parameters for managing details like name, emails, tags, countries, etc. As different users have different data, so for capturing their data dynamically, contact custom field is used. When you scroll down here, you can see one option is there, that is plus add more field. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to write the field name here and also write the description in this field description box. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of course type, so I am not creating more. Now we will get back to our flow. Here I setting this contact custom field nodes here. After that, I connected each of them to their specific course types. So that is board coachings to this one, IIT JEE NEET to this one, and SSC Bank UPSC to this one. You can see I have used the same contact custom field here, that is the course type, but I only changed the value because at the end this will help my bot to provide customized message to my users completely based on their selected data. Now in the next, I added the questions for my user, as whenever they select the course type, then my bot will ask them to share their full name, after that the contact number, then the email address, after that the city. So for getting this question box, you have to simply click on this ask question button. See, it will provide you one question box where you have to write any question in this enter message box and select the contact custom field from here. As I already set it this 4 question box here, where at first I ask my user to share their full name. For that, I have selected the contact custom field as full name. After that, the format I select as text, as name should always in the form of of text. After that, the number of attempt I'll give as 0. Number of attempt is defined as how many times your user will answer the question that you have written here. It also means that whenever your user will not provide you the answer in the correct format, then you have to increase the number of attempt for them. But whenever you increase the number of attempt, you have to make sure that to write the validation message in this enter message box. Here I am giving the number of attempt as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. After that, I have done the same for the next of also. That is in this, here I ask my user to share their contact number. For that, I have selected the contact custom field as contact number. After that, I ask my user to share their email address. For that, I selected the contact custom field as email. Then the format I select as email. Then I ask my user to share the city name. For that, I selected the contact custom field as city. Now in the next, I ask my student to select their preferred batch timing. For that, I again set the list button. This is this button where I write the body in this enter body box, and after that I provide the section title as batch timing. Then I added all the 3 timings here by clicking on this plus add items button. The process of adding items into your list would be the same. Here in the next, I have also done the same where I have selected the contact custom field as batch type and only changed the value in this enter value box. And at last, I have used the text button here. You can get this button from there. This is this button, text button, where in this button I write that thank you for your interest. Here's a quick summary of your admission request. Name with dollar symbol, full name. You can see I have used the dollar symbol before the full name, course type, contact number and the city, because this will help my bot to provide customized message to my users completely based on their provided data. As whenever they share their full name here, then with the help of this contact custom field node, my bot will capture their response and mention their name in this place. And this is same for course type, mobile, city and the batch timing also. So now I think you will better understand the main use of contact custom field as it makes data dynamic. Here the creation of this flow is completed. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. If you face any issue while creating this flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. This will help you to handle coaching class admissions 24/7 without you doing any manual efforts by replying to them within a second and done the process of doing admission into your coaching class. I also provide the link of this flow in the description box. You can check out. And the best part is this automated chatbot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. So go and create your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.